Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a mandala and heart shirt. My shirt has been soaked in soda ash, wrung out with my Panda spin dryer, and so it's just barely damp. I also have my shirt turned inside out. I need to find the middle of the front of my shirt and the middle of the back of my shirt, so to do that I'm going to fold my shirt in half. Then using a washable marker, I'm going to make a mark down at the bottom of my shirt, both on the inside and outside, and at the top. Since this shirt is a V-neck shirt, I'm not going to make a mark at the top on the front side because the middle of my V is where the middle of my shirt is. Then to isolate the front of my shirt, I'm going to grab the V portion and the mark down at the bottom, lift my shirt up off of the table, gently shake it, and lay it back down. Then I'm going to fold my shirt in half just to see where the middle of the front is, because I want to start my mandala a little bit above the middle. So I'm going to use my washable marker again and make a mark right there. Then take the bottom of my shirt and fold it up, and the top of my shirt and fold it down. I want to fold my shirt in half, so to do that I'm going to take a straight edge, put it underneath this seam, lift my shirt up and fold it in half. Then I want to take and fold my shirt down one more time on each side. Using my washable marker again, I'm going to make a mark where the neck of my shirt is so that I know not to take my design past that point. Then I'm going to take some sinew, find a spot at the very end of my fold, and tie one line of sinew. That's going to be the center of my mandala. Now I'm going to take my fold and fold it toward me 90 degrees, tie it with sinew, and when I'm using my sinew, I'm locking it down really tight so that I have a nice white line there. Then folding it away from me and tying it with sinew. Folding it toward me one last time. Then my last fold, I'm just going to take, and this is such a thick fold I can't really do a fan fold per se, but I'm just going to kind of grab an area, press it together, and tie it with sinew. Now I need to isolate the middle of the back of my shirt, so I'm going to do the same thing as I did on the front. I'm going to grab the two marks, lift my shirt off the table, gently shake it a little bit, and lay it back down. I'm going to put a heart on the back of my shirt, so for that I've taken a piece of plastic cutting board and cut out a heart stencil. I'm going to lay the stencil on my shirt and trace around it with washable marker. Then I'm going to begin fan folding at the top of my heart. I personally find that it's easier to fan fold a heart if you start at the top. Now I'm going to tie it with some sinew. When I wrapped the heart with sinew and tightened it down, it shifted my fan folds a little bit. So I decided to just untie the sinew and retie it. Now that my heart has been tied, I would like to have a little extra definition in my heart, so I'm going to take and wrap 3 more sinew lines on the outside of my heart. I'm just going to take my sinew, wrap it around the shirt a couple of times, pull it tight, then go down just a little ways and repeat the process. For the rest of the shirt, I'm going to tuck one sleeve inside of the other one. And just scrunch the rest of the shirt up and use some rubber bands to hold it in place. For this shirt, I would like for it to be a single color, and I want it to be a kind of dark color because I want the white sinew lines to really stand out. So I'm going to use some royal purple from Grateful Dyes. I just got a Grateful Dyes order a few weeks ago, and this is a color I've never used before, so I decided to mix them up and try it for this shirt. I'm just going to apply the color all over the shirt, both on the front and the back, and I'm paying special attention when I do the mandala to make sure that I get lots of dye in these folds because I don't want any white areas left in my mandala. Alright, so here's what our mandala and heart shirt ended up looking like. I really like the new royal purple from Grateful Dyes that I tried. I like the way it bleeds the blue at the edges. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.